No matter how new or old your vehicle is, no one wants to deal with accidents and damage. Traffic accidents are life-threatening, and having your car in the shop is a major pain. And what makes matters worse? Having to shell out thousands of dollars you never budgeted for because you didn't purchase an auto insurance policy before you hit the road. Don't let a fender bender send you into financial distress. Let's face it, car insurance can be overwhelming and expensive, but we promise not having the coverage you need when accidents happen is much worse and more expensive in the long run. We get it though. The insurance industry bombards you with ads, promises, and fine print that leaves your head spinning faster than a tire on black ice. But don't lose hope, fellow road warriors. FreeAdvice.com is here to navigate you through this overwhelming process and save you money while we're at it. Today we're taking a deep dive into MetLife car insurance, the 140-year-old giant in the game, and pulling back the curtain on their coverage, discounts, and of course, the price tag attached to their premiums. So get ready, we've crunched the numbers, compared the policies, and distilled it down to the cold, hard facts. But hey, if you're ready to start your custom search now, head over to FreeAdvice.com. There, you'll find our free search tool to compare car insurance quotes from top providers in your state, making sure you get the best deal on your quest to hitting the road with financial security. Whether it's your first car insurance policy or time to renew, don't let it be a crash landing and leave you broke. Let FreeAdvice.com be your co-pilot to smooth sailing and putting money back in your pocket. Let's get started. First off, what you need to know about MetLife. Let's go over the details essential for determining if this is the best provider for your car insurance needs. MetLife Insurance has a long-standing reputation in the industry, positioning them as a solid choice for your next policy. What sets them apart? Well, the sheer size of the company means they extend their services to all 50 states, including the Marshall and Virgin Islands. Why does this matter? With MetLife, you don't need to worry about switching insurance providers every time you relocate. It's that seamless transition that can make your busy life a lot less complicated. Having coverage that follows you wherever you go takes away the stress of wondering how a claim might be handled in a different state. It's that flexibility and nationwide reach that makes MetLife an attractive option for many drivers. But that doesn't mean MetLife offers the best deals in your area. Head over to FreeAdvice.com and compare quotes from the top providers near you. It's the only way you can be confident you got the best deal on your coverage. And hey, you should know that peace of mind goes beyond just crossing state lines, right? You need to have confidence that your insurance provider has the muscle to back up its promises. MetLife Auto Insurance has a strong financial history and superior credit ratings. And let's not forget the real litmus test, customer satisfaction. People consistently report positive experiences with MetLife, praising the company's smooth handling of claims. From the company's early days, MetLife agents built personal connections by calling clients weekly. Today, with expanded coverage and an A+ rating from AM Best, they've evolved while maintaining industry strength. In the digital age, MetLife offers convenient online services, allowing policyholders to manage accounts, contact the company, pay bills, and access detailed forms all from your mobile device. But if you're not ready to commit to MetLife for coverage, head over to FreeAdvice.com where you can compare car insurance quotes from top providers that fit your coverage and budget needs. A burning question you probably have right now: does MetLife still have insurance agents? The answer is yes. MetLife agents continue to help customers find coverage options that work for them around the U.S. Now let's dive into MetLife's array of insurance coverage options. MetLife Auto Insurance coverage options offer more than just the basic coverage. The company provides a robust safety net for your vehicle, covering fender benders, theft, and even hailstorms with options like collision and comprehensive. How about new car replacement? With this coverage, if your vehicle meets its untimely demise in the first year or 15,000 miles, MetLife will provide you with a new car that's the exact same make and model. But that's not all. MetLife offers additional perks like free windshield repairs, identity theft protection, and coverage against uninsured or underinsured drivers. If you're now ready to ditch the insurance maze and hit the open road with confidence, just head over to FreeAdvice.com, your one-stop shop for comparing auto insurance quotes and finding the perfect coverage for your needs. Now let's dive into the specific numbers and break down MetLife's insurance coverage rates based on the driver's credit score. Believe it or not, your credit score can have a significant impact on how much you have to shell out for car insurance. MetLife offers some of the best rates for drivers with good credit. At $108 a month, they come in lower than most of the competition. But here's the thing. Just like other companies, MetLife's rates go up for drivers with lower credit scores. This is pretty standard across the industry. For drivers with fair credit, MetLife remains affordable at just $128 a month, which is not bad at all compared to Allstate. The most impressive part, though, is that even for drivers with poor credit, MetLife maintains its low-cost appeal, offering coverage at $148 per month, which is a little bit less than Allstate's $150 monthly. See what comparing providers can do? Pretty eye-opening, huh? That's why you should visit FreeAdvice.com and enter your zip code into our free insurance comparison tool. In minutes, you can find the best selection of car insurance quotes that suit your unique needs. For the final leg of our MetLife review, we will discuss the sweet nectar of savings known as discounts. Being a loyal MetLife driver unlocks several ways to shave a hefty amount off your premiums. MetLife auto insurance discounts can help you big time when it comes to those dreaded monthly bills. Accident-free driving means cash back at MetLife. Every year you dodge fender benders, MetLife throws a $50 credit your way. You can also watch your premium drop by 7% if you take a safe driving course. Bundle your MetLife car insurance policy with your home insurance, and you'll lower those premiums even more. Go 5 years without filing a claim or having any driving violations, and boom, more savings to redeem. And that's not all. MetLife rewards good students with a 15% discount. Keeping your GPA high pays off in more ways than one, folks. So stop wasting time and money on overpriced policies. Head to FreeAdvice.com to get quotes from the best car insurance providers in your area. Our free auto insurance quote comparison tool is simple. Find the lowest rates based on where you live and the car you drive. It just takes a few minutes. As we wrap up our MetLife car insurance review, remember, your insurance journey doesn't end here. It's just the beginning. Taking our advice will pay off big time. Just head over to FreeAdvice.com and you'll see that comparing car insurance rates and exploring your customized options can be a breeze. Take control of your finances by making informed, confident, money-saving insurance decisions. If you learned something today, please give us a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and share this video with a friend. MetLife might just be the hidden gem for someone on the hunt for a new provider. If you've had experiences with MetLife, we want to hear from you. Your insights can help others on their insurance journey. Please leave your comments below. Also, you should check out our video on the 12 factors that increase and decrease your car insurance rates. I'm sure you know that teens pay more, but did you know that men usually pay about $50 more a year for their car insurance? And getting married can save you about $200 a year. Our videos show ways you can slash thousands off of your annual car insurance bills. Trust me, they are worth the watch. Whatever you do, don't forget to visit FreeAdvice.com. Get quotes from top providers and check out more of our insurance wisdom. Until next time, keep unlocking those insurance deals and drive safe. Thanks for watching.